Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're diving straight into how you can use Monday.com for effective IT asset management. The first step is all about setting up your board. Log into your account and click on New to create a board. Name it something like IT Asset Management. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where all our assets will be listed and managed. Now that we've done that, it's time to create groups. Groups represent different categories of IT assets. Click on Add Group and create groups like hardware, software, and licenses. This helps us because it allows for effective categorization, making the tracking process more manageable. Next up, we're adding items to each group. These items are your actual IT assets. Click on Add Item under the relevant group and enter the details of the asset. Repeat this process for all your assets. Let me explain why this matters. This step is crucial as it's about inputting each asset into the system, which gives you a complete overview of your IT assets. After we've added all our assets, we need to add columns. These columns will contain relevant details about each asset, like purchase date, expiry date, cost, and more. Click on Add Column and choose the relevant column type to enter your information. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each of these columns is storing detailed information about your assets, which you can leverage for better decision-making and planning. Lastly, we're going to set up automation. Monday.com allows you to automate certain tasks, like sending reminders when licenses are about to expire. Click on Automation Center and set up automation based on your needs. The reason we do this is to ensure no asset goes unnoticed or unmanaged, and everything runs smoothly without any human error. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up a comprehensive IT asset management system on Monday.com. Remember, effective asset management is all about staying organized and keeping a constant eye on all your assets. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.